Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been working on a basic meatloaf recipe, and I've got one that we really enjoy here at home, so I thought I'd share it. As you can see here, you start with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Depending on the size of your family, you can make this, bigger or smaller. But I use about a cup of onions, a cup of peppers, and a sleeve of Ritz crackers. To that, I'm going to add 2 beaten eggs, and then about a half a cup to 3/4 cup of milk, depending on how many crackers is in there, because you still want to get a lot of moisture. And I don't add salt because of the Ritz crackers. And if you want to add pepper or any seasonings like that you may like, this is where you would do it. And then I like my vegetables a little bit chunky because I do want to taste those in the meatloaf, but you could dice them even smaller if you wanted. So at this point, I'm just going to combine all of this together and just mix it really well until everything is combined. You'll be able to kind of get the feel of it, and also if it starts to look dry, go ahead and add more milk just to keep it really moist. And then I'm going to, while I'm working on this, preheat the oven to 350. I'm going to put some aluminum foil on a pan so that I can just shape it into whatever you typically like your meatloaf. Some people make it square, round. I just put mine in more of a rectangle. And once I get that done, this is going to go into the oven for 25 minutes. And again, temperatures on ovens can vary, so just make it fit whatever your oven is. After 25 minutes, I'm going to bring it out and put a topping on it. I just use brown sugar and ketchup, mix it together, and that's to taste as well, guys. Spread it over the top and back in the oven for another 25 to 30 minutes until your meatloaf is done. And then I let it rest about 10 minutes before serving. That way everything has time to just kind of settle. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video this week, and I will see